Ladies and gentlemen, this is Intervlog. I say this is Intervlog, and I am here once more. I'm here to show you one of the amazing speeches of Ibrahim Traore this year. This speech was made on the 11th of October 2024, during the graduation of 20 Air Force pilots in Burkina Faso. Let's show you how the graduation happened, and the speech of Ibrahim Traore as well. It is an amazing speech. Let's go. Burkina Faso. The Air Force is strengthening 20 specialist non-commissioned officers of the Burkina Faso Air Force are now ready to serve. They graduated this Friday, October 11th, 2024 at the National School of Active Non-Commissioned Officers, ENSOA. Named the Gawa Chili promotion, which means restart in the Gulmance language. This promotion includes a female staff. After 2 years of training, these 20 non-commissioned officers were deemed fit to join the National Armed Forces and acquire the rank of sergeant. After their integration, their objective will be to breathe new life into the Air Force as part of the reconquest of the national territory. Speech by President Ibrahim Traore on the occasion of the graduation of the Gawa Chili promotion of Air Force NCOs, October 11, 2024, honored guests, members of the armed forces, graduates of the Gawa Chili promotion, fellow citizens of Burkina Faso. It is with immense pride and great joy that I stand before you today on this significant occasion, celebrating not only the achievement of the 20 specialists who have completed their training, but also the bright future they represent for Burkina Faso. Today, we witness the graduation of the Gawa Chili promotion, a name that carries profound meaning for our nation in these times of challenge and hope. Gawa Chili, which means restart in the language of the Gulmance people, speaks to the heart of what we, as a people, stand for today. It speaks to the renewal of our strength, our unity, and our determination to protect the sovereignty of our great nation. This day is one of celebration, but it is also a moment of reflection. We reflect on where we are as a country, on the challenges we face, and on the courage and dedication of those who stand on the front lines to protect our people. And in the faces of these graduates, I see hope, resilience, and a commitment to a stronger Burkina Faso. The promotion you are part of, dear graduates, bears a name that holds deep significance. Restart. It is not just a word. It is a declaration, a promise, and a mission. It is a recognition that while we have faced obstacles, some that have shaken the very core of our nation, we are not defeated. We are restarting. We are rising again, stronger, more united, and more determined to secure the future of Burkina Faso for generations to come. This promotion is a symbol of renewal for our Air Force, which is an integral pillar of our national defense. As the first line of defense in the skies, our Air Force is critical to maintaining our sovereignty. In this promotion, I see a new beginning for our military capabilities. The men and women who have graduated today, who have successfully completed 2 years of demanding training, are the embodiment of our nation's resolve. You, the 20 new non-commissioned officers of the Air Force, represent the hope that will guide our nation through these trying times. You are the embodiment of our people's resilience and their unyielding spirit in the face of adversity. Today, as you don the uniform of the Air Force, you carry with you the weight of the trust and confidence of the Burkinabe people. One of the most remarkable aspects of this promotion is its diversity. Among you stand women who have shown that the defense of our nation is not the responsibility of men alone, but a shared duty for all Burkinabe, regardless of gender. In this promotion, I see the power of equality, and I see the recognition that strength comes from inclusion. This promotion, which includes both men and women, is a reflection of the Burkina Faso we are building. a nation where every individual has a role to play in its defense, its progress, and its future. In the challenges that we face today, we need every Burkinabe from all walks of life to contribute their talents, their courage, and their commitment to our shared mission. I want to take a moment to congratulate the women in this promotion, whose presence here is a testament to their strength and dedication. Your service is an inspiration to us all, and a reminder that when we stand united, we are unstoppable. Graduates, your path ahead is clear, but it is not easy. As non-commissioned officers in the Air Force, you hold a critical role in the defense of our nation. The Air Force is not just a branch of the military, it is our eyes, our shield, and our sword in the skies. The security of Burkina Faso's airspace is a matter of national sovereignty. The ability to control and defend our skies is essential to protecting our borders, our resources, and, most importantly, our people. In recent years, we have faced unprecedented challenges. The threat of insurgencies and external forces seeking to destabilize our nation has become a constant concern. Our territory has been encroached upon, our communities have been threatened, and our people have been forced to defend their way of life. But in the face of these threats, we have not backed down. We have not surrendered. Instead, we have rallied together, stronger and more determined than ever, to protect our homeland. Today, you, the graduates of the Gawa Chili promotion, join that fight. Your expertise, your training, and your commitment to the Air Force are essential to the reconquest of our national territory. You are the defenders of our skies, and with you, we will ensure that Burkina Faso remains a free and sovereign nation. The road you have traveled to get here has not been an easy one. For 2 years, you have undergone intense training that tested your limits, your discipline, and your resolve. You have learned the skills necessary to operate some of the most advanced technologies in our military. You have developed the leadership qualities required of non-commissioned officers. And you have honed the courage and the integrity that will guide you in your service to our nation. I know that this journey was not without its sacrifices. I know that many of you spent long nights away from your families and loved ones, pushing yourselves to become the best versions of yourselves. And today, we honor not only your commitment, but also the support of your families, who stood by you every step of the way. To the families of the graduates, I say this: your support has been invaluable. Your sacrifices have not gone unnoticed, and today we share in your pride. You have given our nation some of its finest defenders, and for that, we are eternally grateful. As we look to the future, it is clear that the task before us is monumental. Burkina Faso's national security remains under threat, but I have no doubt that, with the dedication and expertise of individuals like you, we will prevail. The reconquest of our national territory is not just a military mission. It is a mission for the survival of our nation. It is a mission that requires bravery, strategic thinking, and an unwavering commitment to the defense of our people. You, the newly graduated non-commissioned officers, will play a vital role in this mission. Your specialized knowledge in the Air Force will be critical in securing our skies, providing support to ground operations, and ensuring that no threat to our nation goes unanswered. But more than that, you will serve as leaders. As sergeants, you are now entrusted with the responsibility of leading others, of guiding your fellow soldiers in the execution of their duties. Leadership is not just about giving orders. It is about setting an example. It is about leading with integrity, with compassion, and with an unshakable sense of duty to your comrades and your country. Burkina Faso is at a turning point in its history. The challenges we face are not insignificant, but neither is the strength of our people. We are a resilient nation, forged in the fires of struggle, and we have always emerged stronger. Today, as we face new threats to our security and our sovereignty, we must rely on the strength and unity of our armed forces more than ever. The strengthening of our military, particularly our Air Force, is not just about responding to the threats we face today. It is about preparing for the future. It is about ensuring that our nation is capable of defending itself from any threat, be it external or internal. It is about building a Burkina Faso where peace, security, and prosperity are not just dreams, but realities. To achieve this, we need a military that is modern, well-trained, and well-equipped. We need a military that can operate not just on the ground, but in the skies and across all domains of warfare. And that is why the graduation of this promotion is so important. You, the graduates of the Gawa Chili promotion, are part of the future of Burkina Faso's military. You are part of the force that will protect our nation for years to come. As you take on your new roles as non-commissioned officers, I urge you to remember the responsibility that comes with your rank. You are not just soldiers. You are leaders. You are the ones who will set the example for those who follow. You are the ones who will carry the torch of Burkina Faso's military tradition. Lead with honor. Lead with integrity. Lead with a deep and abiding commitment to the defense of our people and our land. The path ahead may be difficult, but I have no doubt that you are up to the challenge. You have shown through your training and your dedication that you are more than capable of rising to meet any obstacle that comes your way. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.